Hey guys, I'm back with another awesome product review from LetPot.
LetPot, the indoor growing spot. The perfect way to grow indoors. It's easy when you use LetPot.
This is the automatic watering system, and you might remember that I did another review for them for their indoor hydroponic growing system, and that is working phenomenally. We have been growing basil and even lettuce throughout winter, and it's still going strong. In fact, the plants are doing so well, when it warms up, we might even be able to move them outside. So if you haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out, because that is an amazing product. And they've come up with another one, the automatic watering system, and we're going to be using it for our seed starts, which I have right behind me. We have all of these different seeds started, and we're going to set this up to water these pots. And this is going to be really, really helpful, because if you grow plants, then you most likely know it's really easy to forget to water them. And that is something that we definitely have struggled with in the past, and well, not that far in the past. So we're going to set this up, and the really neat thing about this is it connects to your phone. So if you're on a trip or on a vacation, you can always just click the button and it'll water your plants for you. And you don't even have to be in your house. So we're going to unbox this and set it up and review the product right after this. LetPot has graciously offered to give us a second one of these that we will be giving away as part of the Survival Seeds 2024 collaboration. So if you think this product is as awesome as I do, then you can enter the giveaway. Alright, so let's unbox it. So it has the manual and all of the pieces. So it's got screws and clips, and this is probably so that you can hold it on something, the watering station. It's got stakes. It's got drippers and connections for the hose, and they give a lot of hose, so you can do as many plants as you can. This is the part that I believe goes into the watering station, and then it has a filter to put in wherever you have your water. And then this is the watering station. So this will be the main hub. So this is the pump. And then this is the plug for the pump. So you just plug this in, and it has an input and an output. And so it kind of is self-explanatory. The input brings water from your container of water and into the pump, and then the output sends it from the pump and into whatever your pots are using the hose. So I have this piece of the water pipe that I've cut off. So this is going to be the end of the water pipe, where I have the bracket, which is this stake, and the adjustable dripper attached to the end of this pipe. And this is the end of the hose. So this is going to be in the furthest pot, which is going to be this one right here. And basically, you just put the adjustable dripper into the hose, and it pops in really easy. And then you put the bracket in, and this bracket will hold it in place in the dirt. And then I cut this pipe at the length from this pot to the next pot. And then I'm going to put a T connector, which are right here. So I'm going to put a T connector here. Just going to put it into the hose. And then I can get a small piece of hose that I attach here to put the next connector on, and then the next piece of pipe will go on from there to go to the next pot. So you don't need these parts to be very long because they'll just go right onto the tee. And then you take the adjustable drippers and you attach it right there. So then I have 2 drippers, and then you need the water pipe bracket, and this also goes in really easy. You can literally just pop it onto the hose. And then you put these brackets, the stakes, into the pot, and the drippers are ready. So I have all of the hoses connected where I want them, and I have the app connected to the device. And this here is my end piece. This is the last pot that has a dripper on it. And this runs up to this hose, and here we have the backfill, which is connected to the output. And in the device, it has 2 areas here that you can put the hoses in. This one says in, and this one says out. And you want to put the hose that goes to your plants in the output, because that is the one that carries water out of the pump. Then we have this, which has a filter in it that I'm going to put in this vase of water I have right here. So you just put the filter in there and then put it in the input, because it pulls water into the pump. Works perfectly. This is going to be a big help. Now, if you don't want to connect to your phone, or you can't figure it out, then you can always just click the button on the device and it'll water them for 3 minutes. And you can always click the device again to make it stop. Just like that. And so it's really easy to use and really helpful. And if you do connect it to your device, then you can turn it on from wherever you are. But if you're just staying at home, all you gotta do is click the button. And it is a great system. Highly recommend getting one if you have trouble remembering to water your plants. And if you are interested in trying to win one, again, like I said, check out the Survival Seeds 2024 collaboration for a chance to win one. So definitely an awesome product. Definitely recommend it. So if you guys are interested, definitely check out LetPot. And thank you to LetPot for sending us this product and giving us a second one to give away. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you're interested in other LetPot products, we also got their indoor hydroponic system that you can check out in the description below where we have the review video. Thank you guys for watching and have a great week. Hi, I'm Trey, and we have live music every Monday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you like our music, you can also check out our music channel, which is Vineyard Chicks instead of Vineyard Chicks Homestead, and I would love to see you there.